It is good to be home. So we want to have a very important conversation around health, and today in particular, sikhuluma ngesifo savendle, which is also known as polio. So today we are fortunate enough to have the expanded program immunization manager in the Ministry of Health, obviously courtesy of World Health Organization. If you're watching for the first time, they have been on basically a campaign to raise awareness about certain things that we rarely talk about and certain subjects around health. So namuhla in particular sifuna ukukhuluma ngepolio, and of course we have a very important guest. Her name is Xolisiwe Dlamini. Utasichazela kabanti ke about polio and how far we've come as Eswatini in eradicating it. Sikuvusele Nkosi njani?
Ngikuvusele nami. Safawethu njani wena?
Ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila nami.
It's so good to have you on the Golden Hour namuhla. Ngiyade ukuthi ke kulamalanga laphelile on the 24th of October you were celebrating World Polio Day. Mhlambe nje kuva kabanti why it's still important for the Ministry of Health and other collaborating partners ukuthi nil celebrate lelanga leli, and of course just looking ukuthi ke how far have we come basically as a country in eradicating polio.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Pardon my voice.
Yes.
Yes. But nje siqale nje ngalokuthi sibonge.
Yes.
Sibonge nje batali nalaba sibukela abantwana. Sibonge bothishela laba sibambisako. Sibonge nasetikweni nakudodonke inintengo siko ukuthi sikhuluma nzaba letemnanzi evena sikhuluma ngapholo.
Yes.
Lesifuna ukuthi kungasilahlekele, but just to go back a little bit. Nga 1988 kwabonakala abantwana labanyenti bagula kungakaconzakali kahle ukuthi kwendekani, and babehamba balethinyawo dabo tandla dabo diphelele kusebenza, but all of a sudden thousands of children they became ill, baqala base babane kukhubateka kakhulu kwale tinyawo nemlende labanye bafa. And then this doctor was Jonas Salk, wa investigator, waqhamuka ke ne vaccine ya polio ya vendle, of which yasinayiqala iniketwa ngalo 1988. Fortunately thina silive nathi saqala ukuthi sinikete kuleso sikhathi leso. So nayiniketwa yabonakala isebenza ngemandla. If angabe ngalesikhathi lebantu laba khona nyala bakubonile yalingisa ivaccine ye COVID.
Yes.
Lo ukuthi na uyifaka umehluko nisheshe nobone.
Yes.
So naye yawenda ke lo mehluko ke ukuthi babe yehlele nombolo kakhulu ngalokusetulu lokuthi banifana kakhulu baphathwe lesifo savendle.
Yes.
So laseswatini ke ivaccine yaqhamuka 88.
Yes.
1988 nathi sinayo lenkinga le move ku 1970 something. That's why I think nje nawulandzela history yam St Joseph,
yes,
mostly bekungilabo bantu lapho, but nalo wasing lokunye kugula longasafanani nalo kubaphatha kubabulala lemilende netandla because of vendle. So thine nje lapho nasithatha le vaccine silive 1989. I think wena bongakadalwa yabo ngisese high school ngaleso sikhathi, and then that's when the live la recorded the last case confirmed ya polio. Lokusho ukuthi batali bak understand kude umntalo ofuna kuphatha umntwana today umntwana ukahle tomorrow umntwana akasakhona ukulisita so uvendlekile like leligama lisho. Yes, so from there we've been given the vaccine. Akusho ukuthi ngoba sagcina nga 1989 usibona lesifo.
Yes.
Sesingayekela. So Friday besithi emva kwaloko kwabe sekusukunyiswa sicubulo sokuthi umhlaba wonke awulwe naso lesifo savendle. So bese sibuka ke la ma success stories Friday singumhlaba wonke of which nathi sekhathi ukuthi sendeni size sifike la. As we speak today 99% of emavendle emhlabeni wonke asalwile na vendle. But sisasele nje na 2 emave. Let's nesithi one child it's too many. So leli vendle la walang 2 naswabuka sithi bantwana lababili. There is too many because ipolio vendle is very infectious. So that's why singeke siyekele kuniketa nemijovo until size special ukuthi is a good delivery lelinayi. sesithi ke sesimchithile evendle emhlabeni.
Yes.
Bese sesiyabuka ke ukuthi itolo sicale ngalamathonsi kuphela.
Yes.
Kwathi la kubo 2020 sabona ukuthi sekunemitselela letside. Ukhanze ukuthi umfana ujovile lo wakha kaJovi but lo wakho so uyagula. Kwase kuyabonakala ukuthi asicinise kuze ukuthi lamasotsha noma ngabe watholela amathonsi avendle but kuqinisa ke nyalo ukuthi noma ngabe uyavela lo vendle angamtholi then kwase ke kufakwa ke injectable kusho umjovo kenyalo so kuze kuthi ke live umhlaba ubesho ukuthi samchitha vele vendle we are moving towards ukuthi sibuke ukuthi vendle lo wekucala lethi nesilive ngilokuyele bese celebrate ukuthi nga 2020 during iCovid wonke umhlaba usangene but we were one of the countries thina lokwathiwa certify ukuthi sekude iwild polio.
Yes.
Okay. What is wild polio? Iwild polio ngunayi nje longayithola noma nguphi la ngephandle. Yabo it doesn't have to be something longathi kumbe ngitfolile ngemjovo ngani but nje yona iyade iwild njengalo ngisho nje ukuthi wild ukuthi iyade ichamukela but nakhona iba wild nje isuka kunamave nanga leswabonaka ukuthi solo anayo le polio.
Okay.
Yes. So sibonile ke ukuthi ngayo solo sesikhathi sabo COVID kubese bomakhelwane bethu boMalawi na Mozambique baye reporta le white polio kan Africa bese itfolile ukuthi seyide ipolio after ibo Nigeria seba satisfy ukuthi abakase ba reporta a case for more than 5 years.
Okay.
And then when they were licwaningo and then locwaningo lento welani kufuna kubonwa ukuthi sasinalenye yini.
Yes.
Lenga vikeleki ngale mijovo lesinayo.
Okay.
Only to find ukuthi bengasiyo nje lensha bekunguyona lena lechamuka kulamave lale etulu eAsia lokusho ukuthi somehow be important bengasiki ukuthi chamuka ivumbuke nje la Africa lokusho ukuthi yahamba ngaleto indlela ngoba siyavakashi yagcina kuyafika eMalawi yehlele eMozambique yas affect again.
Okay.
But after that we have worked with lama countries lawa sibambisene and luckily for Eswatini again sa-attenda taba te ukuthi noma ngabe seyisedrutane Mozambique it's like home I go in the morning I come back in the afternoon ngabuyela futhi nasebusuku nabe soloku ngiyofuna ama-prawns ami yabona so ke but look sebenza kwethu sazama lokuthi sibuke ukuthi ngiyiphi lesifundza kithi lesingaba inkinga kakhulu sabona ukuthi Lubombo namanzini so most people they pass Lubombo but isikhathi lesiningi beta kamanzini but ucupha kamanzini batwende ama business kamanzini nalalabanye labachamuka kulamavele lawalakana la kasenavandle bo Pakistan Afghanistan nabo they will come to us but they will go via manzini so focus more on these two regions not necessarily ukuthi lamanye ama regions singawa uplift. So as we speak nyalo lolibonza cause nasifaka ivaccine sakha lolibonza lolutomelana nalesifo so lolibonza lwethu nasilibuka ngalendlela labantwana bethu labajove ngayo kuneminyaka lemithathu elibonjeni siyabona ukuthi lolibonza lwakhekile.
Okay.
Yes nakamanzini lwakhekile but luhleli bandekandeka ngamanzini because ipopulation yamanzini ineko ukuthi namhla kunami nawe sicashiwe sidane bantwana sebakhulile siyabahambisa so ungeke awi understand nje so we have to make sure ukuthi nawe against buyele around bomanzini around bomathap so like this week nje ukuthi part of the commemoration siyothi ke somkama wonke mathap kunema teams nje la kachubeka kunyala kama manzini.
Okay.
So last week besiseshiselweni sikama shiselweni naye simkamela ukuthi every sifundza kenyalo singaba naye national no 90-95% but nyalo sifuna ukuthi tifundza tonke region ngeregion yeshiselweni lubonza lwakhekile baku 95% because sibhekile silive kokuthi nase sireporter ekupheleni kweminyaka sifake lo 95% South Africa fake 95% Mozambique 95% in that way shothi le immunity lolubonza lokuvimba lesifo luyakheka and nangabe sonke senda njalo shothi emhlaba wonke sitawugcina sibe nawo.
Okay. Ngicela mhlawumbe ukuthi ngive kabanti ke ngale detection ukuthi betempilo babona ngane abakhona in ama signs and symptoms la khona ngiyati ukuthi general knowledge and nabo healthcare practitioners bavamela ukusitshela ukuthi lesinye isikhathi kuyendeka kube bede naletimpawu ukuthi lo bumfu lona ngendeka unavendle but ukhanze ukuthi the following day noma ngekhamba kwesikhathi so khanzakala ukuthi unako. So ngicela kuva kabanti ke about the signs and symptoms nalokuthi ke sitinakekela kanjani nalokuthi nale vaccine itfola bamfana noma bamfu labasuka eminyakeni lemingaki. Because
ngiyabonga Sawethu kugula nje umflafanela kakwadi cishe konke kugula kuqala ngekushisa.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Kuqala ngekushisa but ube like asakubo nje umkhuhlane yabo. But emfaneni sithi umfana nje washisa. Don't hesitate ukufuna lisitho.
Yes.
Yabo. So kuqala ngalokushisa vele ukhanze ukuthi akunakeke. But lelo kwenta ukuthi umuntu aqale bese uyapanic. Nathi lesithi panika vele embamba nyalo. Noma bonga kunyandela kumbe kushisa uthi asengubuke but lokhu panika mbamba. Lo mfana wakho so uqalila umfana noma ingathi una bo less than a year.
Yes.
Uyambamba umuve ukuthi cha letinyawo tiyaqina. Utawuma nase kufanele umbambise info ngesandla uve ukuthi cha letandla tiqinile leti nase kusikhathi letawugcina mbamba umfake ebeleni uve lokuthi cha uyakhona lokulibamba lelibele uyamunye.
Okay.
But kuvendle kuba all of a sudden konga kusendeke.
Yes.
Umfaka libele akamunye.
Okay.
Uyazama kumisa uyavedleka nje kuma lisho leligama.
Yes.
Ubambisa ngesandla kuyavedleka. Lokusho ukuthi ku affecta ini the muscles ngaleso sikhathi and ngaleso sikhathi wena sobona lokuvedleka sekunesikhashana kumcaleni ngoba besabuka ini ukuthi uyashisa akafuni kudla kani sekunyonyo babani vele. So nangabe vela kaJovi lo mfana lo emathuba ukuthi angaba nayo lo vele asedulu kakhulu.
Yes.
Yabo. Kopha sithi ujovile noma kaJovi amphuthumise kuphi esibhedlela. So ngesingisi sithi buka nje acute flaccid paralysis.
Okay.
Bengima ngimunya ngibamba tadla tami all of a suddenly so baba the uyamena lo mfana kuyavedleka. Singamaswati ke ngicela kukusho ke lokho.
Yes.
I have my 5-year-old or 4-year-old vuka ekseni waye esikolweni washo ukuthi akasikahle. Ngiyamniketa lokho ngimniketa kona as a mother. Ngibona thamande mfana wami. Makabuya kontsambama ansomfana ubike ekseni most of the time. Bombe uyabuya kumbe tishela uthi ubuye umthatha. Kunana kuloko bese kuyasibambelela. Anse ngivendle lo. Thina akavuka wavendleka. Maybe sengiyomona yophuma nasemnyango. So buswati bambuthini. Angiyobuka ukuthi akusiyena umkhwepho lo.
Yebo. Yebo.
So siya lapho ke ukuthi noma ngabe usathi usakubuka ukuthi ngumkhwepho. Please check with us.
Yes.
Asikuphikisi lo ukuthi kukhona letinye into letingende but please check with us sendele lesitawu kwenda because nakafika lo mfana kufanele within a certain time not more than 3 days sithathe mangcoliso akhe and siyawahambisa akathestana laveni sisawahambisa because asesithine ma cases lamaningi like lamenye mavi so kungasidulela ukuthi le machine ibe khona laveni kani staw tester maybe ngeminyaka nje ukhanza ukuthi sitestela kubo 10-12 but if one case can be positive it will put the whole country on standstill because onke ama resources afuna seku response so ke lokuthi umlethe within usabona lokwekuqala it's good for us. That's why we are working even nalama traditional healers lamanye ngokuthi nakafika kuwe uyadi naye ukuthi fanele endeni angithi naye udokotela wesiko wemtsapho but uyadi lo ukuthi inyalo sithi sicela amgijimise kuphi emtholampilo because the more you delay lo vendle lokuthi bekusamcala lo mfana besaka sa correcteke sesibuyela lemuva lasine bantwana abaningi labahledi phasi and it has shown ukuthi ebantfaneni labang 100 labafike kule timpawu tekuvendle kadala ama paralysis 5 to 10 wabo bayashona.
Okay.
Lokusho ukuthi akugcini ukuthi kubakhubate kuphela but labanye bagcina sebashonile. Most of the time ivendle naka affect only the muscles la ngephandle, affect even the respiratory muscles.
Okay.
So you can imagine ke ngibaba thenga perfume asangiphefumula kufuna kubambe kekele. So if le paralysis say la sifubeni sami kulama muscle lesifuba shothi sekuyekele angisakhona ukudosa umoya angisakhona ukukhipha umoya. So in that way that's why bese ukhanza ukuthi sesibala labantwana bayashona.
Okay.
And mostly the disease affect abantwana laba under 5.
Okay.
Yes, nasenda isurveillance yethu sigoa up to 15 years ngokuthi thina nje ngoba sesilivelele ku eradication sayikhahlele ipholo siyambuka lo mfana azawufika ku 15 kangawa noma ungafika kithi uthi tebe kadlale ibhola ngelisonto but lokuchuda atfusele unyawo ukucala namuhla sayibuka ibhola yes but thina sitomeka sure ukuthi we take lokufanele kuthathwe we test sifuna ukuthi noma ngabe uyachuda noma ngabe linyawo aliphakame lungendiwa ipholo tikhona letinye tifo letingakwenda lokho but sifuna ukuthi kungendiwa ipholo because ipholo iliva a permanent disability or death.
Yes. Bengicela kuva nje nalokuthi since you are talking about the target ukuthi mostly it affect abamfana laba between the ages of 1 and 5 but nina nanibuka ni ministry you go all the way to 15. Mhlambe kuva kabanti nje ukuthi kusite kangakanani lokuthi kube ne initiative yokuthi bomake labatetfele baqale antenatal care because ngiyade ukuthi during that period nabo batfola ma supplements teeth and then after they give birth as well kuba khona lokuthi kumikiswa umfana eclinic noma emtholampilo every other month. Mhlambe kuva kabantu ukuthi iyasida yenvelele initiative leyo ngoba lesinye isikhathi uyakhanza ukuthi noma ngabe make sowukhohliwe elikhadini ukuthi date nabamnikete yona yekubuya esibhedlela ithini but betempilo bese bayalidvonsa licingo bayashaya. Can you tell me how that has helped the success of the eradication?
Kuyasita kakhulu 2018 bese siyabuka ukuthi yini lelenda ukuthi make athangabeleka bese uya relax ujatshuliswa ngibundle of joy wakhe akaguli ibundle of joy okay bese uyavilapha lo mnyaka kusuka ukuthi kumbe akafonini kumvikelisa but uyavilapha nje over like ngakwenda nanganye ilanga so sasesibuka ukuthi the first initiative lesayenda asisebenzisa sodvana nje silapha sibe ma vaccine sisebenza nalabanye ansinanyama ku pregnant uqale kuphi ngale ka reproductive health bamtshela wenda bo family planning kumbe konke letinvandlula kithi so thina nasafika la kithi so uyade nje ngempilo yakhe bo then sesimkhuthata ukuthi ngoba so pregnant sicala nyalo kuvikela you and the baby inside sasa siyabuka ukuthi yathi bebavikela ahlala nsi first dose wakhe kufanele amthole nini 6 weeks yabo kani kufanele athole nabani na 0 dose kulo polio and lo 0 dose bokhanza ukuthi Saturday Sunday ema public health aid fakasebenzi sesitabe sesimniketa ke ukuthi shothi lo wakhe utawucala kuthola ngoba lo 0 dose kufanele amthole within 7 days sesithi hayi udobuya Monday ngoba namhla kuvaliwe ngale emijoveni ekuvikeliseni bantwana sasabona ukuthi akusebenteli we worked with nalaba ka maternity ngekusitwa ke live nedini intengozi safaka ka lama fridge onke lama maternity so that now uphuma noma uphuma ngelisonto bakudischarge ngemgcibelo ngeliholiday umfana kuphuma uthole likhadi bakuchazele ngemjovo utfolile 0 dose wakhe utfolile umjovo wakhe wecala lo semkhonweni so sekubhaliwe ke la khadini so at least lapho so uvele so ichukulutile le ndalo yalomfana ukuthi sale aqala akha imasocha yokuvikela against vendle yabo and then going forward ke lengingakusho lesi observile thina silive bomake abantu babo babathanza bane fear first year of life.
Yes.
Yes, bakhona labangabamikisi lapha, but first year of life, especially those 6 months olakuqaleni, anti nalo alongale ka nutrition,
Yes.
uthi munyisa ungayekeli.
Yes.
Nalo lomnye ngala uthi saluqala kwendi family planning. So noma ke vele emningi lasibhedlela bo.
Yes.
So nangalana umile ukuthi umfana wakhe ufuna avikele konke.
Yes.
So first life bayaya bakuthola but angathi 6 months uyakhohlwa.
Yes.
Kanti nemjovo kufanele ayithole izibengu 6.
Yes.
Yabo.
Yes.
So ngilapho ke la sisito khona ngile le improvement aka digital.
Yes.
Nekusebenzisana ne dinhlangano nakuleti sita ngale bo Elizabeth Glacier bo iCap bo Georgetown lebe basita la tibhedlela basifakela tincingo. So in that way usiyakhona ukulinka nyalo letinto.
Yes.
You remind mage ngaletinye tinto lafanele utende esibhedlela. You remind mage nge-SMS lesayikuvelele lapha emshinini ukuthi angikamboni make sibongile namhla so yamshayela ke ukuthi lamanye vele ama facility they go way out sebenzisa incingo tabo to call it mother ukuthi umntwana bekafanele ede namuhla.
Yes.
And over and above that sisebenza nebacucudeli phela.
Yes.
So umcucudeli noma nini nje uyathi ukuthi malanga ekungenela imithi.
Yes.
And laba cucudeli bethu bayayathi le mithi ukuthi une under 5 makelo tetfele lapha nalo. So bayayihambela le mithi. Bese ke ukhanza ukuthi ke that ayisebenzi kahle ku Appen. Because Appen asikho nyalo utsine nawo.
Yes,
semsebenzini.
Yes.
Umntwana use daycare.
Yes.
So nyalo sesicalekela uhlalo lonye ke ukuthi si linke to the daycare.
Okay.
Ukuthi whatever message laba hambele ama daycare bam remind makelo sibukela umntwana ukuthi bosicelela make ukuthi umntwana abantwana baju noma kulenyanga lesiyajovisa njengoba besijova last month.
Yes.
La besijova khona sinike time athosavendle sinike tamizo sibo vitamin A. We have a way ukuthi silinke nalama daycare.
Yes.
But ke the unfortunate one lamanye akasiformal aswani.
Yes.
But ke yes. And isisitwa bobana lapho ngilo RHM.
Yes.
Ngilomnakekelo utasitshela ukuthi hayi lapha kamake egcoli kunagogo kunamakwakhe nje sokhulile labantwana bala kubo 15.
Yes.
But what we have observed ba receptive.
Yes.
Akakwangwabani. And then bese ke samtshela umdali ke ukuthi labanye abatali ufree ukuthi I can leave my card ningibukele.
Yes.
Lomnye uthi no ngingeda in Saturday. So that's why you see now and again bomathapha siyaya sicela ukuthi maneni babukete ke kule nyanga lenibuke ngalo Saturday nabeta babukele emakhadi. So some facilities ayaqala lamanye sekabonile ukuthi community yami
yes
ikanjani. So they are giving the vaccine up to Saturday.
Okay.
Lamanye asabuka ukuthi adokwenda kanjani.
Okay.
So sisaba encourage lokho ukuthi that will be good. We don't want to miss any child. As we speak njalo ukhulumile ekucala ukuthi sikuphi nyalo si live.
Yes.
Kube bonga ngihlola nje emthanazweni wami. Ukuthi sisi maintain le status lesikiso lonyaka.
Yes.
Looking ukuthi last year asikhonanga sagcina 69%. But then you look at coverage yethu ya this year nasibala mid year sibala nga July already bese 95%.
Yes.
So ngiko ke nyalo siphuma ngasisigijima every region lesibona ukuthi isesemuvi
Yes.
ukuthi longenani sifikele ku December above lo 90.
Okay.
That's where our immunity kwathi nje 90 and above.
Yes.
Ile immunity yethu eseyaqala ke seyaqina, but that doesn't mean si relaxile sifuna ukuthi size sifike last out khona 99.9% ukuthi ngoba phela kushela kahle bamako. For instance nje lo libombo lebeli first target yethu kule minyaka le-3 lendlule vele lona lishalo 99.
Okay.
So we are praying ukuthi that can be maintained.
Yes.
And we push our focus, our resources kula lamanye ma region manzini especially because unale influx nebantu labangekho ku database yethu labathi ivakashi.
Yes.
So kufuna sibafune sibangenele lama fletsini labanye basuyo eMaswati bavakashile. We have to build that relationship with the refugee department ukuthi how best can we work ukuthi bangene bajovile nabaju bafike bajove.
Kuyevakala Dlamini. Cha siyabonga kakhulu. It's so great to hear nalokuthi sesihambe above 90%, which means that umsebenzi we Ministry of Health
sifuna lokusustain like ngisho nje ukuthi sustain bonje sustained.
Yes.
Shiselo is followed naye. So nyalo wa focusing ukuthi manzini naho nabo bathi sustain kani lama reaches la ngithula ngona la ne population lenkulu.
Yes.
So we're focusing lapho ke nyalo ukuthi let us sustain.
All right. Siyabonga kakhulu Dlamini. Unfortunately sesiphelele isikhathi but siyajabula ukuvala lokho lo mkhankaso solusukumile. The vaccination process is still underway through the Ministry of Health. Siyabonga kakhulu kuta ehlelweni Golden Hour. Sibonge kakhulu Dlamini. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our guest today on the show, Xolisiwe Dlamini, and of course she's from the Ministry of Health through World Health Organization. It's khuluma kabandi about polio. So if you're a parent or you're a guardian and umfana sola kajoveli sifo savendle, make sure that you take them to the nearest facility. With that being said, we'll take a break. We'll be right back on the show.